Today's an exciting vlog, another travel vlog. Super excited. I'm actually going to Malaysia, going back home. I'm not going back home, but just going back to my mother country, like the place where I was born. Like that's crazy to me right now. It's been like 15 years. God, that's almost like half of my life. I haven't been back home almost half of my life. Oh man, super excited. Let's get to the airport. Also, I ate like this very spicy thing before. My stomach is like, it's like someone's kicking my stomach right now. It's burning. God. Okay, airport. I'm here at the capital city of Indonesia, Jakarta. I'm in the main city right now. I have to transfer bus. I want to say bus to the airport, but to be honest, I have no idea how to. Oops, that's close. To be honest, I have no idea how to. When I arrived in Indonesia, I just got a taxi to the place where I was living, so I've never rode a public transportation to the airport. How do I get into this? This is like the main bus station, but I can't seem to find the entrance. So I think I'm supposed to get in there to get to the airport. Like they should have like an express bus. But I have no idea how to get in. Is that how you get in? Is there like an underpass thing? Pintu Masuk Mall. No, that's a mall. I don't want to go to a mall. But it does look like it connects to the thing. Maybe it connects to the mall. That's okay. Let's explore. I just got on the bus. My man said it's gonna departure at 6. Now is 5:15. I got plenty of time. My flight is at 7:50, so I'll be arriving on 7. He said around it's like 1 hour. It's a 1 hour drive to the airport. So we'll see. This is gonna be real close. I've never checked in an international flight within 1 hour. Like I've always arrived at the airport 2 hours early. Ain't that the unwritten rule? Like you have to arrive at the airport 2 hours early just to check in and then get to the gate? It's 1 hour. This is going. I don't know. I've never done this. That was a long bus ride. God damn. Oh, shoot. And it was cold inside the bus. And I'm in the airport. I'm officially out of Indonesia. Wow, it's a very Very quiet. Very quiet airport. I got literally an hour and 20 minutes ish. I need the bathroom, number one. And then I don't know, maybe I want to find food. I don't know if my flight has food on it. Probably don't. So I might find food and then head to Kuala Lumpur. I just passed the bathroom. I need to pee. I just went through security, and then the security was like, Malaysia, like, it's boarding. Go, go, go. And then I'm like here, waiting for the flight. The gate's not even opening. It's not even boarding. I got at least like, I want to say 5 minutes because it's boarding on like in 8:10 and now it's 8:05. God, I had to run. I had to what? Shit. Okay. That's cool though. There you go, guys. After 2 hours of flight, one small line at the money exchange, being lost in the airport, going through immigration, going through customs, I'm finally in. I am finally in Malaysia. Dude, you see that there? That? Right there. Right there. Dude, that's like when I was small, that's where I was waiting for my dad coming from Japan. Like he would visit, like he had worked in Japan, he would come to Malaysia to visit us. Dude, that's where I was. And now I'm like, I want to say 16, maybe 15. 15 years later, I'm back in where I was born. Like this, oh man, you guys have no idea how crazy it feels. But the fact that there's no one in the airport, I'm not feeling that climatic, to be honest. I just really want to find a way to get into the city right now. The only thing that I can think of is this KLIA Express, which I'm assuming is still going. It has to be. The fact that there's flights still going on. So I'm trying to get this KLIA Express into the city. From there, maybe get a taxi to my hotel. That's the plan. I think I am on the right. Oh God! I think I'm on the right train, and apparently this is the last train. So, got my ticket. God, I really hope this is the right train. All right. As I thought, I got on the wrong train. The guy told me to get on that train. What? Like I literally paid $10 for nothing. I came further away from the city to Terminal 2. It makes no sense. Okay. Gotta calm down, find a way to get out. Am I even able to get out of this? I am, okay, fine. At least I paid $10 just to change terminal, where else I can get on the monorail. God, okay. I'm in the mall. Is my voice high? Because I'm panicking right now. Maybe I can hitchhike? No. It hasn't come to that. Okay. Alright, so I ended up getting Grab. It was actually a very fun ride. The guy was actually from Penang, which where my mom is. So we had a lot of like things to talk about. We talk about like P. Ramlee, which is like a very old and he's an old actor but very famous in Malaysia. I don't know why, but all this memory just rushed in, and I was like, I knew like all of the movies that he was talking about, and I don't know, it was just weird, like an archive of like that memory was still there. It was kind of crazy. I am going to get food. I am hungry. It's the middle of the night. It's the perfect time to eat. Can't wait for tomorrow to explore the city. Oh god, tired, so tired, so tired. All right, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, see ya.